Maybe this was our original building.
This is supposed to be our original building, man. What happened?
We lost the skate part, or the dick part. And then they got rejoined.
It's still funny, even when you just throw it in there out, it's still funny.
They got rejoined, dude, on the opposite side.
That shit's hot, bro.
I know, it hurts holding it. I think my hands are on fire.
So put it the fuck down.
Dude, but look. When you're sitting here and this was like the inside of a building, you'd be sitting there looking up, and there's a giant penis on the fucking ceiling. Look at that.
Ceiling.
Ceiling penis.
Alright, here. You're recording.
Alright, is it still recording?
Yeah. I'll hold it sideways. So like straight.
Oh, straight up? Alright.
Bitch! Can't see that. Fuck you, you asshole.
Oh, dude, that's not funny.
Just screw up the camera.
Alright. Go ahead.
It's still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording. Gotta hurry up.
Punch you in the balls!
Alright, go ahead
Say
now.
holla back, girl. What's the name of that?
As long as you're having fun, alright? As long as you're having fun.
Cause it ain't no holla back, girl. There ain't no holla back, girl.
Alright, you ready?
I'm joking on the bus, but I'm really buying that shit. That's cool for now.
Alright, go ahead.
Stop. I don't know how I'm supposed to do that thing.
Right there. Alright, go ahead.
You good?
Good.
The fuck?
Go down, Ryan. Go
You have got to stop that shit.
I planned that shit perfect. Boom.
You have got to stop that shit.
Alright, go ahead. I won't do it again. Promise. Promise, I won't do it again. That was good.
Dude, I'm gonna punch you in the butt.
Yeah, I think you should go black. Okay. Okay, no, that's alright.
Is this still recording?
No. Yeah, it's still
Why is
recording.
it not recording?
It's still recording.
It is?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, you better have your leg up like that.
Okay, I'll
Show the people.
I'll push it down. I'll push it down, okay? The hammer's down.
Hammer, where's it at? This is coming over here with me. Put your knives down.
I'm down.
You fucking hit it with your hand.
I won't hit it in my hand.
You fucking ball. You got to stop that shit.
Alright, I'm
stop.
I'm stopped. Oh shit, dude. You said not to use the gun, bro. You said not to use the hammer. Look at you fucking use it.
Oh, fuck it. You stick.
Alright, he's still recording.
Oh, fucker. That burns. Look at you can see the black eyes. Look at that. Is this still recording?
Yeah, it's still
Why is it
recording.
upside down, genius?
Oh shit, dude, I'm sorry.
You an idiot.
Oh, dude, that was fucking funny. Let me see the hammer. I'm gonna hold it.
you.
I'm gonna hold it.
You bang that shit, I will punch you.
Okay, never mind. It's best if I don't hold it though.
Look at this. I do it better on this side. What's it at? Fucking 6 minutes?
4 minutes.
What's your mask on? What the fuck? Where's the hammer? Put it down. Put the hammer down.
Fine.
All this shit over.
Okay. Keep welding. Weld that behind it. When you got another hammer. Alright. I'm done. I'm done, I promise. Oh shit, dude, you fucking hit my leg, that's gonna hurt.
You should fucking do it again.
It's alright, yeah.
You piece of shit.
Hold up. You know it's
Take your mask off.
No, you're gonna fucking flash me. Yeah, that shit's like 5 minutes.
I
dude.
should fucking flash.
It's okay. You want me to stop it?